Hi, my name is Anitha and I'm working as a business analyst here at Multunus. I initially started out as a tester where I was doing exploratory testing. I used to explore different scenarios to find bugs in web apps. As I'd been testing for quite some time, I sort of understood how most of the bugs occurred. So when I started with the analyst role, I could think upfront about the scenarios which could later turn out to be bugs. So one of the approaches we discovered here to prevent bugs was to visualize a feature by creating wireframes using Google Drawing, where we come up with most of the scenarios ironed out before the feature gets developed. These wireframes are really effective because we get into the details of the functionality. I think it is very useful because it makes us think a lot about the feature as a whole. They are also very useful from the interaction design perspective, as we think about the impact it creates on the rest of the application. As we think, most of the this is how most of the bugs tend to crop in. Um, with this actually collaboration with the customers also became very effective because they had the ability to visualize a feature and also provide us with instant feedback. It also became very easy to explain to the programmers about a certain feature with these wireframes. This analysis phase uh, became very effective because we found that it prevented most of the bugs from cropping up in every project we worked as a business analyst. This actually led us to lower our defect rates, and uh, we became very confident of delivering products with high level of quality. And that's how I started doing requirement analysis, and I realized that this job is more exciting than just reporting bugs as a tester. As our bug rates drastically reduced, it also made us sometimes get really paranoid. Suppose we find a bug. At that point of time, what we do is we as a team arrest the development and delve in getting to the root cause of the problem. Where we come up with an action item which ensures that similar problems do not arise in the future. Um, as our bug rates reduced, we got accustomed to build more and more features and push them to production every day rather than just spending time on fixing bugs. Another side to the analyst role is that we get to speak to the customers more often than the programmers. Our work often involves challenges like letting the customer know if a feature gets delayed, and more often it is about estimations. I think these conversations really involves being courageous and open towards them about the issues we face. So I think being open and courageous and transparent becomes really effective because we eventually help in creating direct value to the business. So finally, I would like to say that as a business analyst, we do several things here which are interesting and unique in software industry, and I completely enjoy what I do here at Multunus. I'm looking forward to work in more projects where as an analyst. Thank you.